In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video in Ssemble. We'll move step by step so you know exactly what to expect, from signing in to getting your footage into the platform and opening it in the editor. By the end, you'll be comfortably inside the workspace, ready to shape your video. First, log into Ssemble. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection because everything that follows depends on a smooth upload and processing experience. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your home base where you'll add your source video and see your projects. On the dashboard, you have two straightforward options to bring in content. If your video is already hosted online, you can paste in a link. For best results, use a publicly accessible link so Ssemble can fetch the file without permission issues. If you're working from local footage, choose the upload option to select a file from your device. Larger, high-resolution videos will naturally take longer, so give the system a moment. While it processes, keep your browser tab open and avoid putting your device to sleep to prevent interruptions. After you provide the link or complete the upload, Ssemble will automatically create shorts for you. This means the app analyzes your video and generates short, bite-sized clips designed for quick viewing. It's a helpful way to jumpstart your editing session, especially if you're aiming for social formats or highlights. The exact processing time depends on the length and complexity of your footage, so be patient and watch for progress indicators. If you uploaded a very long video, expect this step to take longer. The automatic shorts are a starting point. Think of them as a collection of ready-made moments you can refine further once you're in the editor. When the upload and processing are done, open your project in the editor. From the dashboard, look for your newly created item and open it to enter the editing interface. You'll see a preview area for playback, a timeline where your clips are organized, and panels for managing your media. Take a moment to let everything load fully so the preview runs smoothly. At this point, you're set up to work inside Semble's editor with the shorts already generated from your source video, giving you a clear foundation to build on. That's it. You've logged in, added your video via link or upload, let Ssemble create automatic shorts, and opened the project in the editor. You're now ready to